discover the transformative health benefits of ashwagandha. Balancing the demands of everyday life can often leave us feeling overwhelmed, drained, or out of sync with our natural rhythm. For centuries, ashwagandha, a revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine, has been helping people restore balance and vitality. Known for its adaptogenic properties, ashwagandha is celebrated for its profound benefits to both mind and body. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I appreciate all your support, and I want to say a big thank you for sticking with me. I value your support, and I encourage you to help this channel get to 3,000 subscribers. Disclaimer: this video was created to inform viewers to explore alternative paths that empower individuals to achieve holistic well-being and enjoy optimal health. Nature Life Remedy is research-based information-related content. Please seek professional medical advice. This video explores the key health benefits of ashwagandha and offers tips on how to incorporate it into your wellness routine. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera or Indian ginseng, is a powerful herb traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine. Its adaptogenic nature helps the body manage stress and promotes overall well-being. Whether you're looking to regain mental clarity, boost energy, or support your immune system, ashwagandha might just be the missing piece in your wellness puzzle. One of the most prominent benefits of ashwagandha is its ability to reduce stress. Ashwagandha's adaptogenic properties help the body adapt to stressful situations by regulating cortisol levels, your body's primary stress hormone. By managing stress effectively, ashwagandha helps to promote a sense of calm and balance, allowing you to better manage life's challenges. Ashwagandha has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory. Its neuroprotective properties can help enhance memory and focus, making it a valuable ally for students and professionals alike. Research suggests that ashwagandha may improve memory, learning, and overall cognitive performance. Ashwagandha is an herb also known for its immune-boosting properties. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense. Ashwagandha strengthens immune response, helping your body combat infections and illnesses more effectively. By reducing stress and promoting overall wellness, ashwagandha can enhance the body's immune response. A stronger immune system means better protection against infections and diseases, making ashwagandha a smart addition to your health arsenal. Inflammation underlies many chronic health conditions, including arthritis. Ashwagandha's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe inflammation, supporting joint health and overall recovery. For those struggling with anxiety, ashwagandha serves as a gentle, natural alternative. It has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and enhance emotional well-being. In addition to reducing stress, ashwagandha has been shown to alleviate symptoms of anxiety. Its calming effects can help individuals cope with the daily pressures of life, making it an excellent natural remedy for those struggling with anxiety disorders. The herb's anxiolytic properties can lead to improved mental clarity and emotional stability. The nature of ashwagandha not only combats stress, but also enhances overall mood. Studies indicate that it can significantly reduce feelings of depression due to its ability to balance neurotransmitters in the brain. By incorporating ashwagandha into your daily regimen, you may find an uplift in your spirits and a more positive outlook on life. For those suffering from insomnia or poor sleep quality, ashwagandha can be a game changer. Its sedative properties help promote relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. A good night's rest is crucial for mental and physical health, and ashwagandha can play a vital role in achieving this. Contrary to the notion that adaptogens might cause drowsiness, ashwagandha is known to boost energy levels. By enhancing the body's resilience to stress, it can help improve energy and stamina, making it an ideal supplement for those leading a busy lifestyle or engaging in intense physical activities. Ashwagandha is known to support hormonal balance, particularly in women. It can help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate symptoms associated with menopause, such as hot flashes and mood swings. This makes ashwagandha a beneficial herb for women seeking hormonal stability. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts can greatly benefit from ashwagandha. Studies have shown that it can improve physical performance, increase muscle strength, and enhance recovery after exercise. For those looking to maximize their fitness potential, ashwagandha is a natural supplement worth considering. Research indicates that ashwagandha may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable herb for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. By improving insulin sensitivity, ashwagandha can aid in maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Ashwagandha can contribute to heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. By supporting cardiovascular function, ashwagandha can play a crucial role in promoting a long and healthy life. The benefits of ashwagandha extend to skin health as well. Its antioxidant properties help fight free radicals, which can cause skin aging and damage. Incorporating ashwagandha into your skincare routine can lead to a brighter, more youthful complexion. Ashwagandha is often referred to as an aphrodisiac. It has been shown to enhance sexual function and libido in both men and women. By reducing stress and improving energy levels, ashwagandha can positively impact sexual health and intimacy. Ultimately, the most compelling argument for incorporating ashwagandha into your life is its ability to enhance overall well-being. By addressing various health concerns, from stress and anxiety to physical performance and immune support, ashwagandha serves as a holistic remedy that nurtures the mind, body, and spirit. Before starting any supplement, including ashwagandha, check with your doctor, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or managing health conditions. Start with 300-500 milligrams per day, taken with meals, and gradually adjust to meet your needs. Always follow the guidance on the product label. Ashwagandha is available in powders, capsules, and liquid extracts. Choose a form that fits your preferences and lifestyle. To manage stress and promote relaxation, take ashwagandha in the evening. To boost energy and focus, try taking it in the morning with breakfast. You can pair ashwagandha with other adaptogens, but space out intake to avoid overwhelming your system. While ashwagandha is generally safe, monitor how your body responds and stay mindful of any unusual symptoms. Ashwagandha offers so much more than just physical benefits. It's a tool for achieving balance, managing stress, and enhancing your overall quality of life. From improving mental clarity to strengthening your immune system, it's a versatile addition to any wellness routine. The multitude of health benefits associated with ashwagandha makes it a powerful addition to anyone's wellness routine. From reducing stress and anxiety to boosting energy and enhancing cognitive function, this ancient herb offers a comprehensive approach to health. Embrace the potential of ashwagandha, and you may very well experience a transformative journey toward better health. If you're ready to take the first step toward integrating ashwagandha into your lifestyle, start with small doses and listen to your body. Natural remedies like ashwagandha serve as gentle, effective solutions to modern-day challenges, empowering you to thrive. Why not begin your ashwagandha journey today? Ask your healthcare provider if it's right for you and enjoy the path to a calmer, more energized you. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If this video is valuable to you, please share your thoughts on health benefits of ashwagandha and how you have used it. Please leave a comment below. I also encourage you to like and subscribe for more health-related content. Guys, please let's get this channel to 3,000 subscribers.